The Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig K4 makes joinery fast and easy for strong joints and projects that will hold up to the test of time. Pocket hole joints made with the K4 are the quick, sturdy way to build and repair in almost any application, from chairs and tables to cabinets, built-ins, and more. The precision drill guide creates a perfect hole that can be used in a variety of joints, curves, aprons, miters, and more. Set the drill guide to match the thickness of your workpiece using the thumb screw and thickness markings on the side of the jig. Position the drill bit stop collar based on the material's thickness using the integrated setup gauge. Attach the included dust collection adapter to any 1¼ vacuum hose. The K4 can handle material as thin as 1/2 inch all the way up to 1½ inch 2x material. Adjust the clamp pad to get a secure hold. Clamp in your workpiece and drill your pocket holes. Drive your pocket hole screws, and you're done. With the Pocket Hole Jig K4, that's all there is to it when you want to create rock-solid joints in your next project.